Hello, welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to verify your Facebook account. If you are running social media adverts, you are running advert on Facebook, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, you need to verify your Facebook account because without verifying your Facebook account, you might not be able to run adverts. And what I mean here is that your personal profile account that you use in opening an ad account, you need to verify it because if you don't verify it and you are running adverts every time, you've been running adverts. I'm telling you, it will get to a time Facebook will block it. They will block your account because you haven't verified your account. So it is a must for you to verify. You might be running the advert, it might be running, but I'm telling you, it might get to a day that you need that advert to run. You need to make some cool cash, and Facebook will just block it because of what? Because you did not verify your personal profile account. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can verify that with your Android phone and after this tutorial I will also be making another tutorial on how you can get your national identity card. That national identity card, I will be teaching you, I'll be making the video how you can get it and how you can use it to verify your Facebook account, your personal profile. Because if you don't verify this personal profile account, your Facebook ad account will be blocked or it will be disabled. Yeah, so without wasting any much time, let's dive into it. I am Gideon Oye. I'm a digital marketer. I run social media adverts for businesses and also set up websites for businesses. So if you need to contact me, check the description below. You will see my contact there. You can chat me up on WhatsApp or you can send an email to me. All right, without wasting any much time, let's quickly dive into what we have for you for today. Yeah, so if you want to verify your Facebook account, your personal profile account, you must have either a national identity card or you can also make use of your voter's card. And also, you can make use of your marriage certificate if your marriage certificate has a barcode. All right, so first thing to do if you want to verify your Facebook profile account is you open your Facebook like this, just open it like this. And once you open it, you click on this place. Can you see? You click on it. And once you click on it, it brings this out. After it must have brought this out, you scroll down. And once you scroll down here, you click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And once you click on settings and privacy, the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. This is settings here. Click on settings. And once you click on it, it will open up. So this is where you do it. It's opening right now, as you can see. All right, if you believe you are getting value from this video, kindly give me a thumb up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you drop comments in the comment section. Ask questions. Your questions will always be welcome. Ask questions in the comment section. You've been running social media adverts, it has not been converting. Ask questions and I will do well to reply every comment in the comment section. All right, let's continue. So once you must have opened your settings, don't forget I said click on settings and privacy and click on settings, then it will open. This page will pop up, and once you get to this page, you come to personal details here. Can you see? The first one, personal details, you click on it, and after it must have been clicked on, another page will open for us. That is where we will now choose the kind of document we want to use to verify our personal profile account. As you can see, it's still loading. Let's be patient, it's still loading. Yeah. So verify your Facebook account because you might run advert for 1 year, you might run advert for 2 years, you might run advert for 3 years, but one day Facebook will surely block it. So this process is very, very important for your personal profile account. So it has popped up. So the next thing to do is you come to personal details. As you can see here, this is personal details. Click on it. Then another window will pop up. Let's wait for the window to pop up. Once it has popped up, then we can upload our national identity card. And after you must have uploaded your national identity card, it will take, at times they wrote, sometimes it might take 24 hours, Sometimes it might take 48 hours for Facebook to verify your account. And once they must have verified it, that is the end. But once you are done with this, you now come to identity confirmation. This is where you must confirm your identity. So you click on it, and after you must have clicked on it, another window will pop up. Verify your Facebook personal profile account. Let's wait for it to load. It's loading. And after, yes, this is it. Can you see? Yeah, they said running ads about social issues, elections, or politics. Running ads about social issues, that is, you are running adverts for your business, you are running adverts, you also do a service of running Facebook ads for businesses. And another thing you must do is to do what? Confirm your identity. So you click on confirm your identity here. And after you must have clicked on it, you click on running ads about social issues, elections, or politics. You click on it. After you must have clicked on it, look at it here. It is open. They said, where will you run ads? No country selected. You click on select. After you must have clicked on select, it will pop up where you will choose your country. As for me, I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria here, so I will be clicking on Nigeria. I'll be choosing Nigeria as my selected country. So you come here, click on search, then write your country name there. Yeah, so it will pop up Nigeria is my country. It's loading. How? Network. All right, it's loading here. Let's wait for it to load. Let's be patient. If you know you are getting value, kindly hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. I do a whole lot of videos. If you check my past videos on how to run Facebook ads, if you're having issues, how to target the right audience and the likes. It's not bringing it out. Okay, okay, Nigeria. All right, so you click on your country, the name of your country. And after you must have clicked on it, be patient for it to open. It's taking time, taking time, taking time, taking time, taking time, taking time. Yeah, so it's opening. Yeah, now after it must have opened like this, I've done my two-factor authentication, which is very important to secure your account if you don't want hackers to steal your personal profile account. Once your personal profile account has been stolen, automatically you've lost your ad account. So I click on personal ID. And once I click on it, another window will pop up. Yeah, can you see? Upload your ID. You click this, and once you click this, you click on next here. Once you click on next, another windows will pop up. Just follow the process like that, and you will be able to verify your identity on Facebook. So let me click on show more here to see other documents that is required. We have passport. The first one is passport, driver's license, national ID card, marriage certificate, and so on, voters card, family certificate, visa, national age card, immigration, tax identification card. But the easiest one to use that I've used over and over again for businesses is this national ID card. You click on it, and after you click on it, you click on next. After you must have clicked on next here, you wait for it to load. Okay, you wait for it to load. It's loading, it's loading. Can you see? Take a photo of your ID using the camera on your phone. Take a photo that clearly shows your ID or official documents. Okay, and how to get started? It says find an area with good lighting. Okay, that is what they are trying to tell you is that make sure where you are taking the picture of your ID card is not dark. Make sure the environment is not dark. Then number two, avoid glare or shadows. Make sure there are no shadows on your card. Look for a very well ventilated or well lighted environment. Make sure all four corners of your card are visible. And another thing I want to call to your attention is that whenever you are making your ID card, whenever you are taking, because once I click on get started now, the camera will pop up and you'll be able to take the shot of your card. Where the background where you'll be putting your card must be black. Yes, it must be black. This is a card, it's on a black background. So you must put it on a black background because Facebook want to see that this person did not do a photo shoot or a photo edited ID card. They want to see that this person is real, the ID card is real. So you place it on a black background. Please don't forget, unless or else you might upload it several times and your account might be permanently blocked. In order for that not to happen, this ID card should be placed on a black background like this. Then you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you wait for it to load. Okay, you wait for it to load. I won't show you my own. I won't show you the surface of my own like this. So this is how it will be. Can you see? It has a black background. This is how it will look like. And once it's like this, then you can take the shot. Once the shot is taken, you will upload it. After you must have uploaded it, Facebook will tell you that okay, no problem, it has been uploaded, and you will receive a confirmation message from them, that is a notification from Facebook. Here like this, you receive a notification. Can you see? So that is how you will have to confirm. I You must verify your identity. All right, see you in the next lesson. I will be teaching you how you can get your national ID card, a soft copy of it, and how you can convert it to a physical card. All right, see you in next lesson. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. In case I drop other tutorials, you will be getting the notification. Bye for now.